I think I'll be cute, chubby. I ain't gonna lie. I think I'll be a little cute little. Little fat ass.
I think about you all the time. I want you to free my mind. I want you to free my mind.
Hey guys. I'm so tired of sounding like this. I just got finished showering. I literally just cleaned my apartment. Cleaned everything except the shower. I'm not gonna lie. That's for another day. I actually got a call back from my doctors and I found out, excuse me, I was about to oil my hair. I found out some more bad news, but I do feel a lot better. I've taken my medication for me being sick with the flu, and apparently I had strep, so I was just all jacked up. I knew something was wrong, but tomorrow makes it like 5 days out since my symptoms. So I'm already clear to go back to work, but I just wanted to give it another day to make sure I'm not getting any sicker and I'm not getting anybody else sick. I currently have my clothes in the wash, my sheets in the wash and I had the window open, so while I'm cleaning, I could just air out all the germs and chemicals and everything. And I just cleaned up the kitchen and everything. Just so I can, in the bathroom, so I can, be fresh to death again. So I can be, fresh to death again and just back to my normal. I do feel better. I just obviously sound very congested still. I do have a lot of mucus still. That's been all month. I don't know. And she said because I have asthma, that can affect, like allergies can affect. I don't know. She was telling me stuff. I don't know. I just know I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. I'm gonna go to my nail appointment. I'm gonna get back to my life. I'm not gonna lie, being sick is really depressing. Like it's not like I could really enjoy being home. I was actually kind of upset, and then I had a reawakening for a moment, and I just don't like to sit in thoughts, like especially when it's not like it wasn't bad thoughts or anything. It's just like, that's why I don't really like ever excuse my hair coming out. I was literally just cutting out curly pieces, so because I'm taking my hair out this weekend. But I was just like, I don't know, sometimes like I think I keep myself so busy so I don't have to sit in thoughts, if that makes sense. So I'm not used to not, like I was literally stuck at home, like I couldn't leave for a few days, so I was just like here alone, and everybody just kept reaching out to me, and I just was so irritated. Like I just kept like, leave me alone. Like I literally didn't really talk to anybody besides my father. I was only in here for a couple of days, not too much, but I'm just saying, like I just was so irritated. I think I'm PMSing, or because I didn't feel good, and like I don't know, I didn't like it. But I do feel a lot better. That's the important part. Now, just oiling my locks. If y'all don't know, I have locks underneath my braids. Oiling my scalp rather, not the locks. And I can't really share that, but tomorrow I'm gonna go back to work because I told y'all I have something to do with this new thing we're doing, and I have to be at the training. So I actually have been gaining weight. I'm not gonna lie, I just see it in my face. Like, oh Lord, just don't let me get too dang big in my face, but hair update, it's hanging by a thread. I was just gonna get a touch up, but I decided like being home just made me irritated, even with my hair. Like I was just irritated because like I don't like that being like forced to like rest. Like, you're knocking me out of my groove. So I was just like, I'm taking my hair out, but I didn't have energy to take it out. Like, I literally was actually on bed rest. I'm lying, I was doing TikToks and eating, but and watching. I mean, I was definitely chilling. I definitely feel better. That's all that matters. And I've been taking my medicine that my father wrote me, that the doctor prescribed me. And I'm back and I'm better. I still have to get over some congestion, but that's not gonna be immediate. Like I said, after work, I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm going to probably go to the hair store after class on Saturday. Because I was gonna go get a touch up. I made an appointment. Actually, I made that appointment for Friday. I'm not doing that tomorrow. So I'll let them know. But I don't want braids anymore, even though this is a very convenient style, and I will definitely do it again. Like, it was very convenient, very cute. I didn't think box braids would be cute. First time ever having them out of my 23 years living, and I actually like them. I would have obviously wanted them smaller, but because I have locks, they did what they could. But they did their thing. I'm not mad at it. It's cute. I love curly hair on me. I might just do like maybe another curly flip over, but like more like loose curl, like a bantu curl. The timer just went off for my laundry. I might take y'all with me because y'all never like see me doing my laundry, and I don't think y'all care to see me doing my laundry, but I'm just gonna take y'all because what the heck, you don't have a choice. I do have to cook. I'm only gonna pop some wings in the air fryer. I'm not gonna cook. And that's really just for lunch tomorrow because I'm gonna work out after work and I need to eat something. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. I want like a bantu type of flip over. I love flip overs, they're so cute. And I just want to leave I can't wear my hair out. I mean, I can, but it's too cold in locks. I have to moisturize it and wet it. And being out in the cold, like, I'm already sick. So I just try to find hairstyles that like cover my ears and keep my head warm. I'm gonna have to stop the video because y'all not gonna be able to hear me over my track music. I promise I'm good enough to go to work. I just don't know why I don't have a voice sometimes. Like, it's been doing this for 2 weeks. Like, my voice comes and it goes, and I just have not been able to sing. And that's another reason why I was kind of sad. Like, last night when I wanted to like edit some of my music, I had to edit something from over a month ago because I haven't made any new music. I haven't written any new music. I haven't been working on music because even trying to, like, I want to do a couple covers to the songs that I just discovered. And I can't even, like, try to sing it. Like, I was just a little sad because that's, like, and I was just thinking, like, imagine I never was able to, like, get my voice back or something. Like, I would literally be depressed. Because everybody knows that I just sing, and I don't even know that people like knew that. Like, I'll just be sitting there humming something or singing something, and then everybody just knows, like, oh yeah, you sing, huh? And I'm like, how do anybody know that? And they're just like, because you're always singing. So it's just like, imagine not being able to be yourself. That's how I feel right now. Like, I don't feel like I can be myself. And it's like, it's prolonged. People be sick for a week, they get over it. It's been a month. Like, I don't know how many times in the past 2 years that I've been sick back to back to back, and they last so long. Like, it's so depressing. I don't switch up nothing. How am I gaining weight? I mean, I wanted to gain weight, don't get me wrong, but not in my face. Like, hold up now. I think I'll be cute, chubby, I ain't gonna lie. I think I'll be a little cute little fat ass. When I'm not ripping and running around, this is really how my energy be. I'm not sad or anything. And this is how I always talk, like, very low. I just think when I'm ripping and running, I be running off of dopamine. But because I've been literally chilling for 30 hours, I'm like so zen.
Think you know your blood's so funny to me. tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay coordinate, talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home with no one's there.
Let me know. Still got it a little beat.
You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time.
So I just brought my clothes up. And I'm excited because now on Saturday I'm gonna get food again. I'm gonna work out with my coworker. I still have not posted that other workout video, so who knows when it will get uploaded. I'm trying to get out all my videos one by one, at least one a day, max 2. Not trying to do 2 a day, but I do want to get that done. So I'm just gonna put. This is Lola. She's cutesy. All right.
Treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cool without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that
Oh, great. Yeah, I'm about to end this video because I have to go back and dry this blanket. So that concludes this video. I'll probably maybe record a clip if I remember. Probably not because I gotta cook still real quick. It's getting late. It's definitely about to be 11 now in 4 minutes. So yeah, I gotta get my life together. Make sure like, comment, subscribe. This was just a little sit down chit chat life update video for y'all. Going back to my life. Thank God. I will have content for tomorrow when I get my nails done. Probably not because where I'm going, they're going to be rude with the recording. So, I don't know. I've never been there. But it's not like house calls. So, yeah, we'll see how that works. But, you know, I always get some content in between to update y'all with my day. Saturday, I'll definitely have some content for y'all. But make sure like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you if nobody told you that today. See you next time. Bye.
Think my brain is made for